Raise your hand if you've spent all day putting up Christmas lights to plug them in and none of them work.
A 40-foot roof. A 40-foot roof.
300.
I rented a 32-foot ladder. Drove an hour to get it.
300 feet of Christmas lights and none of them worked.
And now it's freezing.
Now we're cold.
I've got my coveralls.
We're gonna be here till 2 a.m. because we refuse to have someone do it for us. Yeah! Winning!
That's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way.
Now that Drew's rehung on the lights, they're done. I cannot wait to see them at night because, holy goodness, that took quite a while. I cannot wait for you guys to see our theme this year. I think it turned out so cute. My husband did such a good job. He literally, made everything in my head come to life. I cannot wait to show you guys with what he's building right now. It's so cute.
Gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way.
In the front, I just got these at Hobby Lobby. They also have them at Walmart, and I just put them on the lights here. I'm trying to find a better way to secure them because it's super windy here, so I gotta find a way because they're all just lopsided right now. But
no, it's the time of year, winter wonderland.
this garland, it's just how it is in the front as well. So I got two 50-foot strands from Walmart, just looped them together, zip tied to the fence, and added these adorable bows that were 98 cents at Walmart, and then just added some lights, and they look so pretty at night. I will definitely show you, but super cheap and adorable little hack Christmas decorations.
And it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter.
I found these at Home Depot, and they light up, and I'm a little bit sad because only the red lights up, so the white you can't really tell at night, but they look super cute, and with our theme they worked out really nice. And then I just did these trail lights all the way around back here, and then also all on that side too. What do you guys do for your outdoor Christmas decor? Usually I don't like blow-ups. With our theme this year we kind of had to, so let me know below. Are you team blow-ups, team no blow-ups? What do you usually do? So since we bought all these lights for the roof and then they wouldn't work, we use them on the trees, which looks a little bit like chaos during the day. Looks really pretty at night, but next year definitely going to get some tree nets. But they worked for this year, and it saved us from having to take a ton of them back. So and here she is in all of her glory. Well, I guess actually a he, but if you don't know yet, our theme this year is Elf. It's my favorite Christmas movie, and Drew made all of this from scratch, so I'm so excited. It looks so cute, and I can't wait for you to see it at night. You'll see we have a little pond right here, and then we have the little penguin, and Buddy the Elf is right there. And then so we're kind of telling the story of Buddy the Elf. So it goes here, goes to the Candy Cane Forest, and then over to which we're gonna put a Santa over there. We just didn't get to it, so I thought it turned out cute. I cannot wait to show you guys at night, and that's what the leaf looks like from far away. So I cannot wait to show you guys until it gets dark. I cannot wait. So I really hope you like. Finally nighttime, so we get to see all of our hard work paying off. It was super windy tonight, so here's a quick little tour of it all at night, and I hope you love it.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start.
Thank you all again so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next Monday. Bye!
It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the